What is poppin', guys? Pedro here with another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing a weekly analysis as always. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
You got it, dude.
And comment below. Love to hear from you guys and always appreciate all the support. I just want to let you know, if you're new to the channel, my name is Pedro. I do Forex trading, and also I post every single week. I post every Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. And with that being said, guys, let's get started with this video.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone?
What is up, guys? Pedro here, and today I'm going to be going over our weekly analysis. I want to show you what I'm taking a look at in the charts. So with that being said, let's get started with GJ. I'm looking at GBPJPY. I want to show you exactly what I'm looking at. And right now we're going to start off on the weekly. Basically, guys, what I'm looking at is I see a nice clean downwards trend. We've got the lower highs and lower lows, and we did see that nice strong momentum break that downwards trend. And so we are seeing that nice clean push. But I did want to let you guys know that most likely price is kind of stalling now at this point. So we may see price pull back down. I am expecting maybe a little bit more of a push during this the next few days to the upside. But keep in mind that price will most likely consolidate or slowly exhaust and pull back to this zone over here. As you can see, obviously I've put my fib, and this is another key level that I'm looking at. If we take a closer look and we go down to the daily, we can see that price has been honestly consolidating. That's kind of what we're looking at right now. And so, you know, we're kind of looking for a nice breakout here. We saw price kind of forming this consolidation here. Price did pull back up to this zone here. So I mean, if we do see you know, a nice strong momentum to the upside, a nice break and retest, then we can expect a continuation to the upside. Now, if we do see price break this zone here, we will definitely be seeing some more consolidation and possibly to the downside. We are also seeing on the daily, guys, our 20 and 50 moving averages about to cross. So this is another signal that price would most likely pull back down, as I was showing you on the weekly. And taking a look at the 4-hour, we get an even closer look at what the price is doing right now. So you know, we can see that price is still pulled back in within the kind of this zone here. And what we're really expecting, and as you can see, I've drawn this already out for you guys, is either a break and retest to the upside, and that can give us some more continuation, or either price breaking down below. I kind of feel that price will continue up for a little bit more and potentially go up to this key level over here at 155,490, and then possibly pull back down to this key level of 145,600, where we could expect that nice clean pullback. All right, guys, so the second pair I'm taking a look at right now is USDJPY. This pair has actually been trending downwards. Obviously, it's not as clear. As you can tell in charts, they can be messy. It's not going to be textbook, but in terms of, you know, kind of what the trend's doing in price is, you can see that there are lower highs and lower lows. And so until I don't see a break of structure, this key level broken, we are still considering the downward trend. Keep in mind, this is the weekly chart. Back, guys, to this area right here, potentially, before we do see any breakouts. So let's take a closer look. Let's dive in on the daily. So as I was saying, on the weekly, we were looking at some downwards pressure, which you can see on the left hand side. But taking a look at current price action, you can see that I've marked current key levels. Some of the key levels at 30-minute charts. But basically, as you can see, that price is basically forming some sort of head and shoulders pattern. So I did want to show you guys this as well. We do have some news coming in for tomorrow, so we could definitely expect price to potentially pull back down, or like I said, price to continue up, right? So we see kind of like a strong breaking of this structure here. I can expect price to pull back and continue. But with that being said, right now it looks like it could be possibly forming a head and shoulders pattern. As I said earlier, we do know that price has been trending downwards. So yeah, like I said, on like the bigger time frames, we are still in a downwards trend. So this could just be another lower high. But like I said, if we do see price continue higher, right over here between this area over here, then we can definitely expect price to continue up. Right now, I feel that it really depends. Like, I'm gonna wait it out, wait for pre-New York and see kind of what price has done, and then basically go from there. Let's take a closer look at the 4 hour. This one looks a little bit more clear. And yeah, like we can see that price is still pushing up. We did see another downwards continuation here on the head, and it is creating the shoulder here. Again, we can see price has broken this area of resistance. It could be a fake out, but we won't know until we see some sort of confirmation. If we do see price retesting this area and rejecting, we can definitely expect price to continue up. But with that being said, guys, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know what trades you're about to hear, what you're looking at, and yeah, I'm not necessarily saying that price will go down, but this is kind of what my outlook is on USDJPY. And last but not least, guys, we are looking at gold. As you can see, gold has been trending bullish. Price did exhaust nicely, as you could see over in this area over here. This is the weekly chart. But if we take a closer dive in on the daily, we could see that price has been going down, but it did form this kind of double bottom pattern, which I showed you guys last week. So it seems like, yeah, price is pulling back to this area, and this nice cross on the moving averages is a lot more stronger and more basically confirmed, right? So yeah, just wanted to show you guys. I'm also looking at gold. I am definitely considering and looking at some bullish trades, hopefully soon. I don't think as of yet. We do want to see a little bit more rejection around this area, so this is something that we'll definitely be looking at this week. We could see that nice double bottom. Price did break and retest, and now it's retesting this key area over here. So price could potentially still continue to go down and reject even more. So don't be surprised if price pulls back down even further and yeah, rejects this area a little bit more. So you could see what I was predicting there a little bit, but price last week was pretty crazy. So yeah, guys, like let's see what happens. Let me know your thoughts if you're on gold, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I've got for this week, guys. This is kind of my outlook for the week. Just want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you find these videos informative, please let me know. And yeah, don't be afraid to leave a comment. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.